So let's close it out over here, this owl theme for now, and the script, right? We don't need it for now. And let's just find where's our main CSS, right? And again, we'll just scroll it all the way to the bottom, right? This is going to be the end of portfolio, right? So as always, we're just going to create a little bit more room, right? And we're just going to add 2 comments. We're going to say that this is going to be a, let's say, clients section, right? Clients, and we're just going to copy and paste this, right? And we're going to see end of clients, right? Client section, right? So client section, and here is going to be end of client section, right? Now the next thing that we want to do is actually start styling, right? And this styling is actually going to be pretty easy. Or here we're just going to write clients, right? So now we're selecting this whole thing, and we're going to say that the padding is going to be 60 pixels, right? Top and down, and 40 pixels side over here like this. Then the next thing we're going to say that the background is going to be a white smoke over here like this. We're just going to say this is going to be something like this. And after that, we're going to say that the image is going to be a little bit smaller, right? And actually, those are going to be only 2 things that we would want to change, right? Clients, image, and we're going to say that, let's say the width, let's make it something like 200 pixels, right? Something like this, right? So let's check it out what we have, right? So now we have one only pretty much sliding over here like this, right? But if we go to the bigger screen, right, now we have 3 of them, right? Over here like this. And maybe one more thing that we would want to add is maybe over here, first of all, we need to add over here this background, right? So we need to add this background for our font awesome icon, right? That's what we needed to do over here, right? And if we go back over here, where was our font awesome, right? Over here, you can see this font awesome underline, right? So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this one, right? I'm just going to copy this one, and we're going to go somewhere over here, I guess, right? And we're just going to paste this, and we're going to say that this is going to be for the clients, right? Clients over here like this. And if we refresh, right, so now you can see that it actually matches, right? And over here you can see that this is how it's going to be working with our carousel. Maybe let's place a lazy load, right, or smart speed for our script, right? Remember over here, if we went to script.js, and if we went over here and then we said smart speed over here, and then we said, like, let's say I always like something really slow, so we're just gonna go with something like 4,000, right? We save this over here, and now we should have it over here like this, right? And maybe, I don't know, we can change around this one, right? The background color, or you know what, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, right? So this is gonna work fine for this one. And now we're done with a logos section, right? So these are technically the companies that I'm working with, right? I'm not going to be adding any more different logos, right? This is plenty for us to work with, right? This is really going to be enough. And over here, the next thing what we want to do is let's create something like this portfolio section, right? But again, we're going to make it within with an owl, right? So we're going to see how it looks in a carousel.